Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. Let's talk about the Cybertruck crash test. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Some people are calling it a guideless missile and death machine. Those are some of the loaded phrases being tossed around. Safety experts are raising concerns about the truck's crumple zones or lack thereof. TikTok and other social platforms are abound with videos highlighting the poor sight lines and lack of visibility for drivers and passengers. But if the Cybertruck is particularly deadly for pedestrians, cyclists, and other vulnerable road users, it's because it's a large truck in America in the year that we have now, right? We have lots of data that shows that America's favorite type of vehicle is also one of the most deadly. We have very little data about the Cybertruck in particular, but it's only been out for, a very short time and in extremely limited quantities. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. So we need more data and testing before we know more about specific dangers posed by this sharply angled stainless steel contraption. And right now, neither the National Highway Traffic Administration, also known as the NHTSA, nor the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, that's the IIHS, two independent bodies that test new vehicles, have any plans to conduct crash safety tests with the Cybertruck. Now, let's get this out of the way. All trucks are dangerous, but based on the specs we know, we can certainly draw some conclusions about the Cybertruck. Like other trucks in its segment, the Cybertruck is heavy, high riding, very quick, and likely to be extremely deadly to anyone unlucky enough to stumble into its path. So from a cybersecurity perspective, what do you think it poses on the Cybertruck as far as hackers, etc.? Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. So last month, the IIHS released a study confirming much of what we already knew. Trucks and SUVs with tall, flat fronts and high hoods are more deadly for pedestrians than more compact vehicles. And we have a statement, and it reads, tall front ends increased risk. Raul, who's the VP of the IIHS Vehicle Research Center, says, for medium height vehicles, blocky or blunt shaped front ends also increase risk. A higher point of impact increases risk for cyclists. That is another statement. These characteristics are not unique to the Cybertruck. Trucks from Ford, GM, Toyota, Ram, and others are also extremely deadly to pedestrians. Electric vehicle trucks in particular are more deadly due to their increased weight from the battery. And yet, for some reason, you don't see as many media stories calling it out in examples. The F-150 Lightning or Rivian R1T or Chevy Silverado EV. Now we have a statement, and that statement reads, vehicle weight in our fleet has continued to go up over the past 20 years, which is what Raul said again. Electrification is taking weight increases to another level that will lead to dangerous outcomes. That is another statement. So we need more data. Despite these conclusions, Raul and other safety experts are taking a wait and see approach to the Cybertruck. And then we have a statement, and it reads, we haven't had an opportunity to measure the front end of the Cybertruck, so we don't know how it will compare to other pickups or SUVs, he says. A spokesperson for Consumer Reports says the same thing, and the statement reads, we are going to wait for more data, citing the need for independent testing data from the NHTSA and IIHS. Tesla conducted its own crash test with the Cybertruck in-house, videos from which were shown during the delivery event a short while ago, but NHTSA has yet to perform its own. In the US, car companies self-certify that their vehicles comply with federal safety standards requiring everything from side view mirrors to airbags to automatic emergency braking. So that's what I have for you today. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. From a cybersecurity perspective, from a human perspective, what can we do to protect ourselves? Please let me know in the comment section below. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Please take a moment to hit this, the like button and the catch your breath mark. So see you on the next video.